question we are going to discuss we are going to discuss a lead code question where we have to find the first occurrence of a string of the input string in the given complete string. So we have two strings. First one that we have to find, and the other one is the complete string. Suppose the one that we have to find is sad, and the input string that we have is okay. Now we have to find this string in here. There could be multiple ways to solve this problem, but we will try to solve this using hashing. Okay, and we are going to discuss two examples. So this is my input in here, and the output that I'll get for this is 0, because the first occurrence of this string sad happens as at 0th index. It again happens at the 6th index, but we will not return 6. We will discuss another input, which is this. We have to find this string, and the complete string is okay. So this is the complete string, and we have to find this. In this case, the output is going to be -1, because gate, as you can see, is not anywhere to be found. So let's solve this question now. Now what I have as input is SADNOT, and the string that I have to find, let me call it to find, is sad. So these are the variables that I'm making. Let me call, instead of calling it as input, let me call this as string, str. Now this is what I have to find. The next thing is okay, so this is the string that I have to find, and this is, so now what I'll do, I'll find the length of the string that I have to find. So length of this to find, let me call this as length of to find. Okay, so length of this string is going to be LENSAD, which is equal to 3. Now these are all of these are my variables. Okay, now I'll create a dictionary, and I'll in this dictionary, for every, so I'll just number the indices for the string. So for each of these indices, I will just store the word which is of 3 of length 3, and I'll look ahead. Okay, so suppose, so the my keys are going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I'll not have 7 and 8. Now here I will have, for 0 I'll store sad, which is 0 3. Then for 1 I will store ADN. For 2 I will store DNO. For 3 I'll store NOT. For 4 I will store OTS. For 5 I'll store TSA. And for 6 I'll store SAD. Now this is going to be 0 3, this is going to be 1 4, this is going to be 2 5, this is going to be 3 6, this is going to be this is going to be 4 7, this is going to be 5 8, and this is going to be 6 9. Okay, so these are going to be my keys, and these are going to be my values. Okay, and I will iterate over the dictionary, and I will try that if any value is equal to my string that I need to find. So when I iterate over this dictionary, when I'll iterate over this dictionary, I'll try to find if any of the value for all of the keys, if this is equal to find. So if to find, this is the, so if to find is equal to, this is equal to equal, so if to find is equal to di 0, Is it? Yes, it's. So I'll just return 0 in this case. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear. We will also discuss another question using the same approach where input is where the string that I need to find is gate, and the string that I have, the complete string, is this. So again, now I'll just write the string G. Okay, I'll write it down here. Um, so this is GATONOT and ALE, and I'll also note down the indices, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the string that I need to find here is GATE. So the string that I need to find here is GATE. Now length of the string that needs to be found is 4. This is equal to 4. Now dictionary that I'll create is going to be, so each element, like here it was of 3, it was, the length was 3, here it's going to be 4. So I'll now create my dictionary where I will have keys as the indices. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I'll go till 6, 5 and 6. And so these are going to be my keys, and my values are going to be, so I'll write down the values. It's going to be GATO for the first case, for the 0th index. For the first index, it's going to be ATON. For the second index, it's going to be TONO. For third index, it's going to be ONOT. For fourth index, it's going to be NNOTA. For fifth index, it's going to be OTAL, and for sixth index it's going to be TALE. Now what I'll do, I'll just iterate over this dictionary. I'll just go about this dictionary and I'll just try to find if DI I'm iterate. So this is the variable, this is the loop. This will go from 0 to length, like length TF minus the total length, which is the total length of the string, minus length TF. So basically it will go till 6. So in this case it will go till 6. Now DII. Okay, so if this should be equal to what? This should be equal to GATE. Now DI0, is it equal? No, it's not. DI1, is it equal? No. Similarly, I'll check every one of these values, like from 0 to 6, and I'll find that none of these is equal to gate. So in that case, I will return -1. So this is one way to solve this problem. There could be multiple ways. If you have a better way to solve this problem, please do let me know in the comment sections. So, and if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.